How to remove Temu minimum purchase limit. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be guiding you through the process of eliminating the minimum purchase threshold on the Temu platform. So this procedure is designed to be both efficient and straightforward. So throughout this demonstration, I'll illustrate how to carry out this task on both the Temu website and the mobile application. So if you happen to be utilizing the app, you can easily follow along with the steps outlined. So the initial steps entails locating the support feature in the top right corner of the screen, that is just beside the language option. Following this, navigate to the Temu chat option, that is indicating chat with Temu. Click on it. This will activate the Temu customer service bot. Simply input the command remove minimum order requirement or remove Temu purchase limit, and the response will acknowledge your query and explain that the minimum order requirement serves the purpose of minimizing the packaging waste and carbon emissions. While it is possible to add more items to your order, if you wish to waive this restriction, proceed to the bottom of the chat and express your desire to eliminate the limit. Upon confirming your choice, the response will provide a link to remove the restriction, and by selecting this option, the limit will be lifted. A confirmation page or the message will confirm the successful removal of stating, "Great news, we've successfully removed the order amount limit for you." So you can then now proceed to check out without any constraints. So this concludes the procedure of removing the Temu minimum purchase limit. So I trust that you have found this video helpful. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. I appreciate your viewership. Thank you for watching.